back to the next Corsa video. There's my new water pump and my new thermostat. So first thing I'm going to do is take the old water pump off again, and I won't go through that because you saw that in the last video. Okay, I've got the water pump off and I'll just get the new one. And it just looks to be a bit different. I mean, you've got an extra bolt hole there, so I think it'll actually fit this timing chain cover, because this one here is off the original engine. As you can see, it's actually different to the one that's on the engine. So this is the joy of swapping engines out. I don't think there's actually anything wrong with this water pump. So I think I'll just take this back for a refund, because obviously I don't want to be spending money that I don't have to spend. I think what I'll do is I'm going to have to swap that timing chain cover out, so it's more work, but I'm not bothered about it. A bit more work, a bit more dismantling. It's all about saving money on this car. I just need to put that timing chain cover into there. So yeah, I'll take that back. I'll get a refund, no problem. I might just hang on to the thermostat in case I need to change it. Seems to be working, but that's where we are. So I'm going to get this timing chain cover off. So before I do any actual swapping stuff over, I need to clean the main surface of the water pump, and same on the timing chain cover. So the important thing is to clean all the mating faces of the cover, so I get a decent seal. So you do it top and bottom. And the ironic thing is, if I'd fitted this timing chain cover the first time, the engine would have started and I wouldn't have had the problems I had. They've had it running long ago, and I wouldn't have had the leaking water pump neither. So right, I think that's good to go. So I'll move on to water pump. So as with the timing chain cover, it's just a matter of cleaning up the mating faces. I cleaned it up before, but with that sealant, it needs cleaning again. I just have a boss with the scraper. I'll just finish this off camera. I'm ready to take this timing chain cover off, so from here on I'll just whiz through it all. Okay, I've got everything off. I had to take the alternator off. And I've had to take off the 2 front bolts for the aircon compressor. And there's 4 bolts on the bottom that bolt through the sump and into cover now. If I've got this now, just one more thing. Oh yes, there's one more thing. I need to take off the crankshaft pulley bolt. So I better do that. So to make things easy, I've put in the crankshaft locking tool, which we use when we time the engine up. So the crankshaft's locked. Get the breaker bar on this bolt. It's E18. This crankshaft bolt. So if I, there we go, and it's straight off. That loosened up easy enough. Can't quite undo it by hand, so get a ratchet on. Yeah, still a bit hard by hand. So I just have to keep on with ratchet. And that's the crankshaft pulley bolt out. So everything should be undone. So let's see if we can get this timing cover off. Should be able to prise this out. There we go. Don't think I've missed anything off. That come out a bit quicker than I thought. Should that to one side. So there should be nothing stopping this timing cover from coming off. There we go, and it is out. Now as I was removing the bolts from this timing chain cover, I put them in here so I knew which order they're going. Now, because this one is going back on the car, I need to transfer all the bolts over to this cover. So I'll get that done. I'm not going to show it on camera. It is now time to offer up this timing chain cover. So we'll see if it goes on. It should do. Right, and that is on. So I just put all the bolts on. I won't show you that, you saw me taking them off. So I'll get back to you when I'm all done. Right, it's all buttoned up. I've topped up the coolant with a mixture of antifreeze and water. And I'll start it up and get the air blade out, which is why I left the cap off. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to leave it running for a while, get it up to temperature, and see what it's like, and see if I've fixed the problem. Well, the good news is I'm not losing the water out of the coolant pump. When I was running it, the coolant level was actually dropping. Yep, and I feel heat in there. I'm getting heat out of the heaters, so I'm going to call that fixed. So that's a water pump. I didn't need the parts I bought wherever I put them. Where did I put them? I've seen. No, let's have a look. There's a thermostat. I didn't need that. I didn't need the water pump, which is down there. So I'll take them back and I'll get a refund on them. So that's not an issue. So that's good. Still a few other problems. I noticed I found this underneath the car. When I'd taken the inlet manifold off, one of the gaskets had dropped out, so I think we've probably got an air leak there, so I'm going to redo that. Now, me being an absolute cheapskate on this particular car, I want to spend as little money as possible, preferably nothing. I think I could probably rob one from this inlet manifold. If I can get it off Ed, I'll just rob a gasket off it and do it that way. Yeah, it's cheapskate, I should do it properly, but it's not my car. I'm trying to avoid spending money. It needs to be probably get MOT'd and then sold on, so obviously need to keep costs down and get as much money back as possible. Obviously get a best price for it. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.